to Ramya Edutech YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to explain you about a beautiful HackerRank internship called Software Development Engineer Intern. So this is a 6 months full-time on-site internship. The duration of this internship was Jan to June 2025. So there was a few steps to apply to this internship, and the first one is to apply to this internship you has to create your own resume by using HackerRank's resume builder. So the second step is things to keep in mind while creating your resume on HackerRank's resume builder. Ensure to import all your GitHub projects while creating your resume from HackerRank resume. By clicking on import button, also ensure to add any or all of your open source contributions and add projects you have worked on. And third one is upload your resume. Come back to this page, scroll down and apply to the job below only with your resume created on HackerRank Resume Builder. So here is a questions. Is it only for 6 months? Yes, it was a 6 months full-time internship. It is a paid internship, and it was a full-time in-office internship in Bangalore. So to apply to this internship, click on apply now. So here they given a form. They asked a few details like your name, mail ID, phone number, resume. So and here are you available to intern with HackerRank for a full-time 6 month internship starting from so if you are interested, click on yes. So next, are you able to work from our Bangalore office full time for the entire 6 months internship period? So if you are interested to work on work at Bangalore office, so you can click on S. And next one is what is your year of graduation? So here click on your graduation date. So so next one is mention your hometown and college location if they are at different. So after that you can submit your application. So so this is the video of HackerRank internship. So in the next video I'm going to share you about how to build a resume in by using HackerRank resume builder. So so that's it for today. I hope you all like this video. So if you found this helpful, please share to your friends and like this and make sure to subscribe my channel. Bye.